In this lesson, we're going to look at calculating the mean and also doing some harder examples. We've met this before in level 3, but we're now going to look at it in level 4. So a wee brief revision of it first. To calculate the mean, basically this is the first type of average you come across. You add all the data values up and divide by how many there are. So if we take this example here, Bob has been out for dinner all this week and he's eaten lots of food. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different prices for the amounts of food. We have to calculate his mean bill. So as stated before, to get the mean, you add up all the data values, that's the sum of all the data values, and you divide by how many there are, and there's 5 in this case. So what we're looking to do here is we're looking to add all these numbers up and divide by 5, and we'll get the average amount that he paid. So if you add 6 and 10, you get 16, and then if you add the 9 on, you're going to get 25, 39, and 39, 49, 50, isn't it? 50 divided by 5, and you come out to be 10. So the average amount he paid here was £10. Now that seems about right because the average is meant to be a middling value. Now the lowest value he paid was 6 and the highest was 14, so 10 seems about right. Now, a slightly more mathematical way of writing this is with this formula here. To get the mean, you do this in the top. So instead of writing the sum of the data values, you write this symbol here, which is sigma. Now, sigma is a Greek letter, and it's mathematically used to determine the sum of data values. So we can write that here instead of writing the sum of the data values. You'll also see this come up again in something called standard deviation later. So the same type of mathematics happens in this screen. You basically add 4, 6, 8 and 10. It's just introducing this formula. So 4 add 6, add 8, add 10. And n is the number of items or data values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we add all the numbers up in the top, we get 10, 10, 28. So 28 divided by 4. The mean comes out to be 7. Okay, and this example here, same idea, mean equals sigma x over n. Sigma x means you add them all up, so 11 add 23 add 14 add 20 add 27. And this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the set. So if you add 11 and 23, you're going to get 34, 44, 48, 68, 78, 88, and 7 makes 95. And then divide that by 5. So 95 divided by 5, that's nearly 100 divided by 5, which is 20, so this must be 19.